In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off Auto Factory Reset on Samsung phone. The Auto Factory Reset feature on your Samsung phone has a positive feature and it has a negative feature. The positive side of this is your phone will be able to reset itself to factory default setting automatically when your phone falls into the wrong hand and your Samsung passcode or password pin and pattern is entered 20 times incorrectly. Now, to turn off this feature on your Samsung phone, all you need to do is go to your Samsung phone settings. One of the settings, scroll down and click on lock screen. Once tap lock screen, locate secure lock settings and tap on it. Then type in your Samsung phone PIN, password or pattern and hit the continue button. Then locate auto factory reset and toggle off this feature. With this feature disabled, your Samsung phone will not be able to reset your Samsung phone to default setting after 20 incorrect passcode or PIN or password attempts, and your Samsung phone will not be able to automatically erase or delete all files and downloaded app on your Samsung phone. So this is how to turn off or disable auto factory reset on Samsung phone. If you found this really interesting, you want to hit like button, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.